APC for Delta don dey tear apart. Okowa, Deputy Governor, Elumelu and others dey absent as Nwoko host party meeting. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we get update. Also like, comment and share our videos. The crisis when e don dey start for APC, the All Progressives Congress, for the national, e be like say e still don dey enter some states. So as for Delta, the immediate past governor of the state, Dr. Okowa, Delta State Deputy Governor Monday Onyeme, a former member of the House of Representatives, Honorable Elumelu, among other leaders, they dey absent for one All Progressives Congress leaders and stakeholders meeting when they hold for the House of the Senator when they represent Delta North Senatorial District, Ned Nwoko, on Saturday. The meeting when they hold for Nwoko House for Idumujugboko for Anyocha North local government area of the state, them resolve to work for stronger unity for the party ahead of the 2027 general elections. The stakeholders, it comprised of APC chieftains, leaders, elders, youths, members and supporters of the party for the senatorial district. They reaffirm their commitment, say they go work to make sure say they create a normal state from the present Delta state. Now go recall say a few weeks ago, when they fixed the meeting, the Deputy Governor, Onyeme, he claimed to be the leader of APC for Delta North Senatorial District, according to the party constitution. So he can't query the reason why they will go fix the APC meeting for Senator Ned Nwoko house. Also, leadership issues that day before now between the former governor of Delta State, Okowa, Monday Onyeme, and Senator Ned Nwoko, right from when the PDP people, move, come enter the APC. For a remark for the meeting, the chairman of APC Delta North Senatorial District, Chief Eluaka Adizwe, he come tell the people when he recently joined the party, say make they go register for their various wards. He say make they do so along with the ongoing online membership registration. Also, as in the talk for the matter, the former speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly, Victor Oche, he come call, say make they reconcile all the people winning the verse for the party so that the party could be stronger and unite ahead of the 2027 general elections. He say, we not get party to divide us. He say, we get party to unite us and to unite everybody. He say, they must unite the party, particularly for Delta North. Political watchers then they talk, say this one when PDP do a clean move, a clean sweep to enter the All Progressive Congress. So he say challenges go do because most of the members when e dey on ground for the APC, now the first people when e leave the People's Democratic Party, that they can't go APC as an alternative platform for them to take realize their objectives. He say na these same people now, the people when he make them leave now don't come meet them. He say the collusion e dey loud now that wetin you dey expect. We leave PDP to go APC make we for fit wrestle power from una. Now una come join us for APC. How we dey wan solve that kind of matter? So say na problem when e dey wait to happen. Say nothing go stop the problem from happening because e must happen, since na the same set of people when dey struggle to take power from one another. Though others come dey say even though dem no see the defection of the PDP structure to APC as a wise one, say but rather they see am say na activity wey they do from personal interest and to serve individual agenda since Delta for many years. Na PDP control state. He say but as e don be like this now, they go need to manage whatever challenge don dey rear up in ugly head. He say because if they no manage am, they go dey shocked. Say all those when e go get mind to seek elective positions for PDP, they go beat them for election silly, because the Delta people, their mind still dey with the PDP. They never truly accept APC as their structure. Say and these politicians daily forget say na citizens dey vote, no be the politicians them per se. So if they take for granted say because they don't move to the All Progressive Congress and so na Uhuru, e say they go dey shocked for wetin go play out for the elections. Some dey even dey advise the first set of the campees to the APC, people like the Omo Agege, when they struggle to be governor of the state, he say make them move back now to PDP, that PDP go gladly give them that platform, make them take contest elections and make them see how e go pan out. This issue of leadership struggle, e don dey ground for a long time. According to Onyeme, like the Tori report, in the claim say during the James Imbori era, na Benjamin Elwe na be the leader of PDP for Delta North. But the camp of Ned Nwoko come out to say as the ranking senator when they represent Delta North, he say the deputy governor, he dey represent the state, not be a senatorial district. That na why him see himself as the leader of the party for the senatorial district. Well, political watchers say make they see how the pendulum dey swing, but that na opportunity for politicians when e want their onion to use the same PDP platform wey they don run from to go take power back from future elections. My country people, how una see this story?